Top of the top. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the info. It's your Brodusky, Kicks the plumber. I know y'all know who Aaron the plumber is by now. That fool funny as hell, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I can get him in a ride-along video, bro, that shit would be hilarious. Hey, man, you gonna have to slow this car down or we gonna have to fade, man. Still pissed off about my tires. Hey, yo, this one's doing it too, look. I just noticed it. This batch has to be defective, bro. Is it? That's super weird that the tires are doing that. And you know what somebody said? You gotta use UV protection tire shine. I'm like, idiot, that was the inside of the tire. It's never seen a day of tire shine in its life, besides the last video when I put tire shine on it. Like, come on, man. Over a long period of time, I could see it doing something like that to the tire, but it was literally the inside of the tire. I don't know, man. I think I might have to contact Mickey Thompson and run that fade one time. Damn, I'm cooked. Now I'm gonna start talking like this fool all the time. You know. But yeah, besides that, guys, today is a very, very exciting day. Finally getting some logs on the 340. So far, things are actually going really good. At first, I guess the motive was tripping and it was taking them a few hours to figure out what was going on with the motive. But as of right now, everything is a go. Everything looks good, no issues. So today is just kind of gonna be just fine tuning and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Apparently, the car sounds super sick. Ooh, that freeway is cooked going that way. God damn. We have a very long day today. Currently right now, I'm on my way to my barber. We're about to get a haircut so I don't look like a damn wolf. Please, Lord, give my Mickey Thompsons the strength to hold up until I take them off. All right, guys, about to get my wolf pussy lined up.
Make my shit straight, me dang it.
All right, man. First objective of the day. Time to go pick up this merch. The merch samples are picked up. I got a cool mob though, not gonna lie. It's about an hour and 20 to PQ from here, so fun, right?
One eternity later.
No way you cause the turbine to move.
Alright guys, we here, Young PQ Performance. We got G82 on the lifts. Oh, okay, you got some goodies. Let me get that manifold, G. Damn, that's what I really need for mine. I can't afford to mod my S58 no more, I'm broke. I gotta mod this little clunker right here. Damn, look at Dandy's car all clean. Alright, I see you, player. Tuning was going good, but the coupler popped off. And like I said, I need to redo all that stuff. But we're just trying to figure something out for now. That is the biggest coupler I've ever seen in my life. Serio, boy? You guys ever seen a Mandingo coupler like that? Straight from Africa. When the watch matched the shoes, that's it. I got you, boss. I got you, boss. Let me go to my car, get some shoe cleaner. It's gonna be the last straw. This is pretty much all we could do right here. So, if this don't work, then we just gotta wait for the fabricator. We're gonna try to see what it do though. So because of the boost leak earlier, they weren't really able to actually tune it or do anything tuning wise because they were trying to figure out what was going on with it. But now that it seems like it's fine, that coupler is holding up right now. Weird, but it's holding up. So we'll see, I guess, the point to where it pops off. Ah, yeah, papito. Feels good.
Need that 60 roll,
Oh, yeah,
baby. What's up, Kicks? Want to race or what?
Okay, launch right here. You're done.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. This shit feels. It's perfect, bro.
Feels good, huh?
Yeah.
But when it kicks in, it kicks in. All right, man, we are getting there. She's feeling good. I would say around where it's at right now, it's probably a little bit faster than my hybrid setup. Definitely probably has more top end. We just gotta obviously clean up some of the mid-range, get rid of some of the lag, and probably throw like another 10, maybe 15 PSI at it. We'll see how unsafe I wanna go. I do wanna have fun with this car. I'm not trying to moon tune it and like blow this shit up. We'll see where the car ends up by the end of the day. Either way, it's definitely gonna be moving though. It feels really good. So excited, man. Everything's going smooth. Tuner said there's no issues with the car right now. The coupler is holding up, so that's cool. As long as that holds up until my guy can make me the proper setup, that'll be nice. Everything's going really smooth. So it's kind of just fine tuning and just turning it up from here. It's like pending, pending, pending. Ah!
Bluetooth device connected successfully.
Car away.
She just wants to go, huh?
It's like once you get in fourth, it's like, fuck, I'm already going too fast. I jinxed it, guys. Well, guys, it was holding up. My boy told me he can come next week and fab me up the whole setup. But for now, we're just trying to make this work. I don't know if you guys can see, but that pipe's bent already, so it's probably already leaking. Alright guys, so we did some rinky-dinky stuff and we made it work for now. I just did a couple hits right now. I think feels super good. And obviously we're gonna get all this redone next week. It's moving, bro. This shit's actually starting to crab walk now, and it wasn't doing that before, so that's how you know this shit's getting faster. Alright, bro. New file.
What the fuck? She feels good.
Smooth too. 100% definitely faster than the last setup on here. It's a DUI, my G. And mind you, the last setup on here, which was a hybrid Pure 850, put like 2 car lanes on my M4. So that can kind of give you an idea how fast this shit is right now already. For a stock motor car, this shit's gonna be flying for sure. Really?
God damn.
Whew. All right, guys. Well, we're pretty much just gonna leave the car where it's at right now. Definitely getting to the point where things are getting risky. So might just leave it where it's at right now for now. Once we fix the charge pipe and get all that fapped up and it's all good to go, then we'll see how it does. But as far as right now, it's moving, dog. It's moving. Trying to get a session on the carts. That shit is loud. Retarded.
It's stupid.
Well, as you can see, my ass is headed home. Pretty successful day. Not gonna lie, man. The 340 is something else. Goddamn B58s, man. Today is Friday, so you already know there's some car stuff happening tomorrow. Most likely I'm gonna take the S15 out since I just washed it. It's all clean. And it's probably gonna be the last weekend that we have nice weather before it starts getting hot. And y'all know I ain't got no AC in that motherfucker. It's a super successful day. Everything went right as far as tuning. That's always a blessing, especially when you're doing some high horsepower shit. Things go wrong, bruh, so you kind of gotta expect the worst. Everything went extremely smooth today, so shout out to the guys over at PQ for always taking care of me and keeping everything 100. And yeah, man, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Next week's definitely gonna be a movie. Appreciate you for tuning in to another video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.